Everyone is talking about ChatGPT Deep Research and Agent Mode explained for students and professionals. In this video, I will explain what two powerful modes, two different jobs means, how it works, and where it matters. Now let's look at two powerful modes, two different jobs. Deep research is best when you need a serious research report. Agent mode is best when you need ChatGPT to take steps and complete a task. One is mainly for researching, comparing, and synthesizing. The other is for navigating, using tools, and moving work forward. The key is knowing which mode to use for which job. That choice can save hours and reduce messy AI outputs. Now let's look at what you will learn. We will first explain deep research in simple language. Then we will explain agent mode and how it is different. Next, we will compare normal chat, deep research, and agent mode. Then we will build practical workflows for students and professionals. We will also cover prompt templates, safety checks, and common mistakes. By the end, you will know how to use each mode with purpose. Now let's look at what is deep research. Deep research is designed for complex research questions. It can search, reason, compare sources, and synthesize findings. Instead of giving a quick answer, it builds a structured report. It is useful when the topic needs evidence, citations, and depth. Think of it like asking for a research analyst. You give the goal, sources, and constraints. It returns a documented answer you can verify. Now let's look at what deep research is good for. Use deep research when you need more than a quick summary. It is useful for literature reviews, market research, competitor analysis, and policy comparisons. Students can use it to understand a topic from multiple sources. Professionals can use it for strategy notes, vendor comparisons, and industry research. It is strongest when the question has many moving parts. The value is not speed alone. The value is structured research with source-backed reasoning. Now let's look at what is agent mode. Agent mode is designed for tasks that need action. It can reason, browse, use tools, work with files, and follow multi-step workflows. Instead of only explaining what to do, it can help do parts of the work. It may navigate websites, create outputs, edit spreadsheets, or organize information. Think of it like a supervised digital assistant. You still guide it and review important actions. The goal is controlled task completion. Now let's look at deep research versus agent mode. Deep research focuses on investigation and synthesis. Agent mode focuses on reasoning plus action. Deep research is ideal for reports, comparisons, and evidence gathering. Agent mode is ideal for tasks, workflows, and execution support. Deep research answers, "What should I know?" Agent mode answers, "Can you help me do this task?" Both are powerful, but they solve different problems. Now let's look at normal chat versus deep research versus agent mode. Normal chat is best for quick explanations, drafting, and brainstorming. Deep research is best for complex, source-backed research. Agent mode is best for multi-step task execution. If the task is simple, normal chat is enough. If the task needs citations and many sources, use deep research. If the task needs navigation, files, or actions, use agent mode. The right mode depends on the work, not the hype. Now let's look at the simple decision rule. Ask yourself 3 questions before choosing a mode. Do I need a quick answer or draft? Use normal chat. Do I need a research report with sources? Use deep research. Do I need ChatGPT to complete steps or interact with tools? Use agent mode. Now let's look at student workflow 1, research assignment. A student can use deep research for a research assignment. Start with the topic, scope, deadline, and required depth. Ask it to compare multiple viewpoints. Ask for citations and source links. Then use normal chat to simplify the report into notes. Finally, write your own answer using your understanding. The goal is learning support, not copy-paste submission. Now let's look at student workflow 2, exam preparation. For exam preparation, start with normal chat or study mode style prompts. Ask ChatGPT to explain the syllabus topic by topic. Use deep research only for complex topics that need external sources. Ask for a revision plan, practice questions, and weak area checklist. Use agent mode only if you need it to organize files or build a study tracker. Keep the final learning active. Make ChatGPT test you, not just explain to you. Now let's look at student workflow 3, project report. For a project report, deep research can help build the background section. It can compare existing solutions and identify key concepts. Normal chat can help convert research into simpler project language. Agent mode can help organize files, tables, or task steps. You should still verify facts, rewrite in your own voice, and cite properly. A good workflow separates research, writing, and review. This improves both quality and learning. Now let's look at professional workflow 1, market research. A professional can use deep research for market research. Give the industry, geography, audience, and decision goal. Ask for market drivers, competitors, risks, and opportunities. Ask for a structured report with citations. Then use normal chat to convert it into an executive summary. Use agent mode if you need follow-up actions, such as building a table or draft deck outline. This creates a faster research-to-decision workflow. Now let's look at professional workflow 2, meeting preparation. Agent mode can help with practical meeting preparation. It can work with connected information when access is enabled. It can summarize relevant notes, documents, or messages. It can draft questions, risks, and talking points. It can prepare a follow-up checklist after the meeting. But sensitive information should be reviewed carefully. The human owns the final message and decision. Now let's look at professional workflow 3, business report. For a business report, use deep research for external evidence. Use uploaded files or internal notes for company-specific context. Ask for findings, assumptions, risks, and recommendations. Use agent mode if the report needs spreadsheet work, document organization, or multi-step formatting. Use normal chat to refine tone and simplify language. The best workflow combines modes instead of forcing one mode to do everything. Research, action, and writing are different stages. Now let's look at professional workflow 4, data and spreadsheet work. Agent mode is useful when a task involves spreadsheets or structured files. It can help inspect data, update tables, or prepare analysis outputs. You can ask it to explain the steps it plans to take. You can set review checkpoints before changes are finalized. For important business files, keep a backup copy. Check formulas, assumptions, and results. Use agent mode as an assistant, not an unchecked operator. Now let's look at prompt template for deep research. Use this structure for better deep research prompts. Start with the research question. Add audience, scope, geography, time period, and source preference. Ask for a clear structure and citations. Ask it to separate facts, assumptions, and recommendations. Ask for a summary table when comparison is needed. The clearer the research brief, the better the final report. Now let's look at deep research template example. Research the impact of generative AI on supply chain planning. Focus on 2025 and 2026 developments. Target audience, business professionals and students. Compare benefits, risks, tools, and implementation challenges. Use credible sources and provide citations. End with a table of practical use cases and a beginner-friendly summary. This turns a vague question into a research-ready request. Now let's look at prompt template for agent mode. Agent mode works better when the task is clearly bounded. Start with the final outcome you want. Give the data sources or tools it may use. Define what it can do automatically. Define what needs your approval. Ask for progress updates and checkpoints. End with the exact format you want as output. Now let's look at agent mode template example. Help me prepare a client meeting brief. Use the uploaded notes and the latest company information. Create a one-page summary with key facts, risks, questions, and next steps. Do not send emails or update any external system without my approval. Show me your plan before starting. Flag any uncertain information separately. This keeps the agent useful, focused, and controlled. Now let's look at prompt template for students. Act as a study coach for this topic. Explain it at beginner level first. Then create a 7-day revision plan. Ask me 5 practice questions after each section. Show common mistakes students make. Do not give final answers immediately, give hints first. This makes ChatGPT support learning instead of replacing effort. Now let's look at prompt template for professionals. Act as a business analyst for this task. Use simple executive language. Separate facts, assumptions, risks, and recommendations. Create a table with options, pros, cons, effort, and impact. Highlight what needs human approval. End with a short action plan. This makes the output easier to use in real work. Now let's look at common mistake 1, using the wrong mode. A common mistake is using deep research for everything. Not every task needs a long report. Another mistake is using agent mode for simple explanations. That can add unnecessary complexity. Use normal chat for quick understanding. Use deep research for evidence-heavy questions. Use agent mode for controlled multi-step work. Now let's look at common mistake 2, giving vague instructions. Vague prompts create vague outputs. Research AI in education is too broad. Prepare something for my meeting is unclear. Better prompts include purpose, audience, scope, format, and constraints. Tell ChatGPT what success looks like. Tell it what to avoid. Clear instructions reduce rework. Now let's look at common mistake 3, skipping verification. Deep research can provide sources, but you should still verify important facts. Agent mode can perform steps, but you should review sensitive actions. AI can misunderstand context. It can use outdated or incomplete information. It can produce competent but wrong outputs. For school, work, money, health, or legal topics, review carefully. Human judgment stays important. Now let's look at practical safety checklist. Start with a clear goal. Limit sources and tools to what is needed. Avoid sharing unnecessary sensitive data. Ask for a plan before long tasks. Add approval checkpoints for important actions. Verify facts, calculations, and citations. Save final outputs only after review. Now let's look at best workflow: research, act, refine. A strong ChatGPT workflow has 3 stages. First, use deep research to understand the topic deeply. Second, use agent mode to organize or execute controlled steps. Third, use normal chat to refine language, format, and explanation. This avoids overloading one mode with every job. It also gives you more control. The best results come from combining the modes thoughtfully. Now let's look at final content recap. Deep research is best for complex, source-backed research. Agent mode is best for multi-step tasks and controlled actions. Normal chat is best for quick drafting, explanation, and refinement. Students can use these modes for research, exam prep, and projects. Professionals can use them for reports, meetings, analysis, and workflows. Good prompts define goal, scope, sources, format, and approval rules. The smart approach is not using every tool all the time, it is choosing the right mode for the job. To wrap up, here is the key takeaway. You now have a structured overview of ChatGPT deep research and agent mode explained for students and professionals. Review the core ideas, connect them to examples, and revisit concepts like 2 powerful modes, 2 different jobs, what you will learn, what is deep research. When practicing. Subscribe to Easy Machine Learning Guide if you want to learn AI through simple explanations and real industry examples.